Hello guys, I am at the platform of Education Studio. Today we are going to discuss about the system of measurements for the physical quantities. The types of certain types of the system of measurements are MCAS system, which was started in 1860s, the CGS system, and FPS system. In MCAS system, meter is the unit of length, kilogram is the unit of mass, and second is the unit of time. In CGS system, centimeter is the unit of length, gram is the unit of mass, and second is the unit of time. In FPS system, foot pound system, foot is the unit of length, pound is the unit of force, and second is the unit of time. All the measuring system consist of certain units, and before 1960 in different areas of the world different measuring systems was used, and there was problem for international barter, international trading. In 1960 a committee for weights and measure formed a system of international. In 1960 system of international SI system was established. The types of SI, the types of units in SI system are three. In SI system there are three types of units. One is the base units, second one is the derived units, and the third one is supplementary units. There are three types of units in system of international. System of international is according to the MCAS system. All the units of MCAS system are exactly the units of system of international, but the system of international is expanded. It has supplementary units which are not present in the MCAS system. So all the units of system of international are not the unit of MCAS system. System of international is more generalized as compared to other measuring systems. Now here we study in detail the system of international, its units. First of all, we discuss about the base units. There are 7 types of base units in system of international. Meter, which is unit of length and its symbol is small m. Kilogram, whose symbol is kg, which is unit of mass. Second, that is written with small s, unit of time. Kelvin, it is written as capital K, the unit of temperature. SI, unit of temperature. Candela is written as CD, the unit of intensity of light. Mole, the unit of amount of substance. When the amount of substance is considered in the number of atoms, number of ions, then we prefer to measure the amount of substance in the form of moles. Otherwise, for the macroscopic objects, the amount of substance is measured in the form of kilograms. And electric current, whose unit is ampere. Ampere is represented with capital A. These are the 7 base units in System of International. And the derived units are there are many types of derived units, such as unit of velocity is meter per second, which is the derived unit. 2 base units, meter and second, are divided to get the unit of velocity. So unit of velocity is the derived unit. Unit of acceleration, meter per second square. If I write down the unit of force, Newton, 1 Newton is equal to this 1 kilogram meter second minus 2. Now the Newton is derived unit. Newton is written in the form of kilogram meter second minus 2. In terms of base units, Newton is written as this. Newton is the derived unit, which is some multiple or division of certain base units. If we write down the unit of work or energy, 1 joule, 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton per meter. If we put the value of Newton, kilogram meter per second square here, then it will become 1 kilogram meter. This is equal to 1 joule is the derived unit of energy, derived unit which is a unit of work or energy. 1 joule is equal to Newton meter or kilogram meter square second inverse square. In SI units, joule is the derived unit, and in terms of base units, it can be written as this. Joule is the derived unit, not base unit, but it can be written in the form of base units. Once in an entry-test exam, it was written that in an MCQ, the unit of force is Newton, and in term of base units, the Newton can be written as. That was a very simple question. 4 option was given and the correct option was that in terms of base units, Newton can be written as this. In terms of base units, the unit of work is written as this in terms of base units, but it is not a base unit. If we write down the unit of power, 1 watt is equal to joule second inverse. Putting the value of joule from this at this point, it will become kilogram meter square second minus 3. In terms of base units, kilogram meter square second minus 3, this is watt in terms of base unit is equal to this. Watt is the derived unit. The unit of pressure is equal to Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to Newton per meter square. By putting the value of Newton at this point, that will become equal to this. Pascal, this is a unit of pressure, this is also the unit of pressure, this is also the unit of pressure. These three are the base, these three are the SI units of system, SI unit of pressure in System of International. If the question is that which one is the unit of pressure in terms of base units, then that will be the correct answer. In terms of base units, this is the unit of pressure. And if we write down the unit of current, electric current is equal to 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second, or 1 coulomb is equal to 1 ampere into second. Here we can see that the two base units ampere and second are multiplied, and the third unit is obtained. That coulomb, which is the unit of charge, is the derived unit. We have discussed only 5 derived units, 6 derived units. The derived units are defined in the terms of other base units. Derived units are derived from the base units. But the base units, these are not derived from other quantities. These have their precise standards, and these standards are present in France in the office of the International Weights and International Bureau of Weight and Measure. Let me discuss the standard of kilogram. 1 standard of kilogram is equal to a rod which is made of platinum and iridium. Its diameter is 3.9 centimeter and its height is 3.9 centimeter. That is equal to 1 kilogram. In this way, we have standard of all the base units. That 1 mole is equal to this, 1 ampere is equal to the flow of certain electrons in 1 second is called 1 ampere. We have standard of all the base units. But all the derived units, these have no standards. These can be derived in the form of other units. These can be defined in the form of other units. Now we discuss next the supplementary units. If we observe the supplementary units, in System of International, there are 2 types of supplementary units. Supplementary units are of pure geometrical nature. The 2 units, supplementary units, there are 2 types of supplementary units. One is radian and other one is steradian. The second one is radian is SI unit of plane angle. Radian is the SI unit of plane angle. Plane angle is a physical quantity, and that physical quantity is measured in the form of radian in System of International. What is plane angle? Plane angle is 2-dimensional angle made by an arc at a certain point, and this is 2-dimensional angle. Plane angle is a 2-dimensional angle, and this is angle made by a certain arc, certain length at a certain point. Plane angle is a physical quantity and its unit is radian. If we draw in a circle, this is origin of the circle, this is the arc length, this is radius of the circle. The arc makes an angle theta at the center of the circle, and this is the standard definition of plane angle. Plane angle is the simple angle theta which we used to study in the low level physics, and this theta, that is the ratio of the arc length to the radius of the circle. If arc length is equal to radius, then theta will be S is equal to radius divided by radius. This is equal to 1 radian. This is the definition of 1 radian. How we can write 1 radian in the form of a sentence? If the arc length, this is arc. If the arc length is equal to radius of the circle, then angle subtended by that arc at the center of the circle, that will be 1 radian. If arc length is equal to radius of the circle, then that arc will make an angle of 1 radian at the center of the circle. For an MCQ, I write down that how much angle is made by the whole circumference at the center of the circle. In the form of MCQ, we discuss that if arc length is equal to circumference of the circle, 2 pi r, the angle made by whole circumference at the center of the circle is, we write down the 4 options in an MCQ. The correct answer will be S is equal to 2 pi r divided by r, that is equal to 2 pi radian. R will be cancelled. So the angle subtended by whole arc by the circumference of the circle at the center of the circle, that will be 2 pi radian. Now we discuss next the steradian. Steradian is SI unit of that is the SI unit of solid angle. What is solid angle? Solid angle is represented by sigma. Solid angle is a 3-dimensional angle. Angle made by an area. Plane angle is the angle made by an arc. A length makes an angle at a certain point, that is called plane angle, 2-dimensional angle. An area, angle made by an area at a certain point, that is called solid angle. Solid angle is defined as area of a surface divided by distance square. What is distance here? I am looking at a scenery, and scenery makes an angle at my eyes. How the angle will be? From the upper part of the scenery at my eyes, from the lower part of the scenery at my eyes, and this is the angle made by an area, the area of a scenery. And what is distance? This is the angle, this is the distance from the area to the point where the angle is made, the distance square. This is formula for solid angle. Solid angle is a physical quantity. It is dimensionless quantity. It has no dimensions. But solid angle has certain units, and its SI unit is steradian. Here we are studying only unit, but we have explained a little bit what is solid angle. The formula for plane angle is arc length divided by length. So plane angle is also dimensionless. The formula for solid angle is area divided by length square. Meter square divided by meter square is equal to none. So the solid angle has no dimensions, but solid angle has certain units. We have a sphere. Sphere like football. Here we take the circle because the angle was 2-dimensional. In solid angle, the angle is 3-dimensional. In solid angle, we are taking the sphere. Sphere is a three-dimensional spherical object. And circle, what is difference between sphere and circle? It is also a circular shaped body and it is a spherical shaped body. It is two-dimensional and sphere is three-dimensional. Let we have a football. The area, this area of the football, this is the area of the football. This makes an angle of, this is solid angle. If area of the football is equal to square of the distance, square of the radius, this is radius. Area is here and this is the point where the angle is subtended. The distance between area and the point, that is equal to radius square, radius. If area is equal to radius square of the radius, then solid angle will be area divided by distance square, and this will be equal to cancelled 1 steradian. This is definition of 1 steradian. If the area of a sphere is equal to square of the radius, then angle made by that area at the center of the sphere will be 1 steradian. We can observe that definition from this formula. If area is equal to square of the radius, radius square divided by radius square, that is equal to 1 steradian. And in the form of an MCQ, we can discuss an MCQ here. What is the total solid angle made by total surface of the sphere at its center? For total surface of sphere, the area of surface of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. This is the area of whole surface of sphere. We put area here in this formula. Then the solid angle will be four pi r square divided by r square. This is equal to 4 pi steradian. This is an MCQ. The MCQ is the total angle made by whole surface of sphere at the center of the sphere is. What is the total? The total solid angle made by whole surface of sphere at the center of sphere, that is equal to 4 pi steradian. According to this formula, we can make certain more MCQs. If you are looking at a scenery and the area of the scenery is equal to 40 centimeters square and you are at a distance of 2 meters from the scenery, what is the angle made by that scenery at your eyes? Put the area of the scenery and here put the distance of the scenery from your eyes. Then you can calculate the solid angle made by that area of the scenery at your eyes. Solid angle is the angle made by certain area at your eyes. And plane angle is the angle made by a length, angle made by an arc at the center. Solid angle is the angle made by an area at a center. Now we have discussed completed our topic. I revise little bit. We have studied the certain system of measurements, the 3 system of measurements. The important thing for a shopkeeper, for a businessman, for a physicist, for a chemist, for every person in the world is to correlate the units from one system to the other system. The interconversion of unit is many times important for the calculations to live life in a business circle. MKS system, CGS system, FPS system. FPS system is nowadays is used in certain area of America. But the system of international is SA system. The system of international, it has 3 types of units. Base units have 7 types. There are no limits on a derived units, and there are 2 types of supplementary units. Supplementary units are of pure geometrical nature. Supplementary units are radian is also the unit of angle. Steradian is also the unit of angle. These both have the geometrical nature. Angle of a, these are the units of a certain angle. Thank you so much.